This is a assembly of the rechargeable smart pet fountain. The brand sent this to me so that way we can test out and do a review. And so right now we are assembling.
Tapped out.
Okay, started. So right now what's happening is that the battery is being charged because this is a cordless pet water fountain. That is pretty neat.